Hello everyone. For our first craft, we will be making a cute pineapple stand. So cut a bottle in half as shown and add yellow sponge around it. Add googly eyes and voila! For our next craft, take a piece of paper and fold it into half. This should be a double layer paper. Fold each of the sides to make arrowheads, then fold them one into the other. Fold over one side and make the other side stand, and then connect each of them as shown above. Repeat this step with multiple other papers and multiple other cups to make as many flowers as you want. Whereas to make the leaves of the paper, fold it in a similar way without folding it into the shorter half. Add the lotus on top of the greens and there you have it. A beautiful lotus. Take a yellow strip of paper, cut one edge into many pieces and stick it in the center to make the center of the flower. This will also connect the lotus to the leaves. For our next craft, take a semicircular paper attached to a little stick and color it as you please. We have chosen to do it with green, blue and yellow. Now cut the end, make it look like Antonia. You have a butterfly. For our next craft, we will be making a leafy mask. So take some leaves and stick it around the mask shape that we have cut. Use different leaves to add more character to the mask and there you have it. For our next craft, take 4 squares of paper and fold it into a triangle repeatedly as seen above. Cut it into the shape of a heart, but once you open it, it'll be in the shape of a flower. So then, out of all the cutouts you've made, first cut out one part of it to make a leaf look like that, and then cut out 2 parts of it to make a smaller leaf, cut out 3 portions to make an even smaller leaf until it finally becomes into a cone shape. Take the single leaf, followed by the double leaf, followed by the triple leaf, and it keeps on going. This will add layers to your flower. Add a little stem and keep adding the various layers of the flower, and there you have it. Add some leaves as well. For our next craft, take some leaves and make them into the shape of a fish and stick these on light blue paper to signify the underwater life. Make some eyes and stick them on and add some more leaves. Next, we will be making a dinosaur out of leaves. So cut some leaves into half and make that the ground, and then add a full leaf as the dinosaur's body. Add some legs and little circular leaves on the top. Add eyes and you have yourself a cute dinosaur. So next we will be making a little forest out of leaves. So cut some leaves and stick them on a circular paper to add more dimension to the entire art piece. And then add different colors as well. And there you have yourself a little forest. So for our next craft, we will once again be taking a circular paper, add leaves to the circle bottom, add another ovular leaf to make the body of an animal. Add a semicircle head, 2 small leaves as the ears, take a whitener and color in as seen, add some eyes and there you have a little fox. For the next craft, take a rectangular piece of paper, add half of a leaf to the bottom to make the ground, and add sticks and add leaves to make them look like trees. For our next art piece, take a coral piece and color it in as seen above. We have chosen colors such as pink, yellow, blue and as such, and repeat this process. There you have a butterfly. For our next craft, take a tissue paper and roll it as seen above. After rolling it, fold it and then proceed to tie it with a rubber band. Open up one edge of the leaf and make it look like ears. Color the inside of the ears with pink and it'll look like a bunny rabbit after you add eyes and a little mouth. Thank you for watching.